Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are continuing with the Halloween series. So today we are doing Pocahontas, and I know what you're thinking. Pocahontas did not have a short cute bob, and I know that, but I got lazy and did not want to straighten my hair. So we threw the wig on. So that's what we're going to do for today. So we're going in with the LA Colors eyeshadow palette. Now this is new. They actually came out with 6 beauty booklets, 2 eyeshadows, 2 blush palettes, and 2 highlighter palettes. So I'm taking this middle light brown shade and I'm just going to buff this color into the crease and then smoke it out. So taking the ColourPop palette, I'm going to go in with a more neutral brown, like chocolate shade, only because the LA Colors palette did not have a really good transition from the light to darkest shade. So I'm just going in with this palette and I'm buffing this into the crease to define the crease just a little bit more. So I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Brush in number 16, and honestly this has to be the best blending brush that I've ever come across. So hopping back into the LA Colors palette, I'm taking that dark gray brown shade and I'm packing this all over the lid. Now when I think of Pocahontas, I think of more like brown and like smoky colors, because remember this is a glam and gore. It is definitely glam and gore Halloween series, so we really want it to be glam. We're not going for anything natural this Halloween season. So taking the middle shade in the 3rd row, I'm just going to use my finger to pack this on. However, it wasn't as pigmented as I thought, so I had to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and just use this like brown gold to brighten up the lid. I did go in with a brush at first and try to wet the brush, but it just did not work out for me, so that color kind of needs to be revamped. So I did my face off camera and finished one of my eyes off camera, because y'all always know I never know where this look is going. So I'm taking the NYX Vivid liners in Cobalt and White, and I'm just going to create these little designs. The designs can be whatever you want. This is just what I thought of. So I just did a cat eye in the inner corner and then just kind of did a little downward arrow on the outer corner. So taking the Holographic palette, honestly this palette has so many cool colors in it. I cannot wait to play with the colors, okay? So I'm taking the blue shade, and honestly this is such a pretty blue. I can't. So for blush, I'm going in with the Sigma face powder. I don't know if they call their blushes face powder, but this is Corday Rosa. Y'all already know. Okay. Now I'm going in with the highlight and bronzer palette. I did speak on this palette in my previous video, so definitely go check that out. But honestly, for this palette to be so inexpensive, the pigmentation is there. So you guys know that I always create my headpieces and jewelry myself. So I actually bought all of this from Joann's. I got the beads and the huge pendant from Joann's, and it was super inexpensive. And then I just made the headpiece with feathers and a headband. So for lips, I'm actually going to take this cobalt blue from Burst Cosmetics, and it's called Voodoo. This was actually during their first Halloween collection, and this color is stunning. So now let's get into the gore part of the video. So I'm just going to take some liquid latex and some cotton balls, and I actually pulled the cotton balls, well, unraveled the cotton balls. So first we're going to make a hole with the liquid latex, because you already know I'm doing a gunshot wound for this particular gore part of the video. So just make a circle with the liquid latex and then start wrapping around the cotton around that liquid latex. So taking some more liquid latex, we are actually going to paint over the cotton ball and spread it around so that it's flat on the edges but still has a little bit more depth and height towards the middle part of the wound. So I really wanted this look to be like super realistic, so I wanted to place like a look-alike bullet in my skull, but clearly it was not working. Like, you know, back in the day they used to have musket guns, so it looked like a little ball bullet. That's what I was going for, but it was just not working. So I just decided not to use it and just started lifting up the cotton from the center so I could have some depth when I go in with the Scab Blood. So I've already gone in with my foundation and just covered up the cotton with my regular foundation, and now I'm just going in with the same shading technique that I used in my Princess Jasmine video. So definitely go check that video out to see how and what colors I use to shade. So going in with the best Scab Blood ever created by Nye, I'm going to place the Scab Blood in the center of the wound, so it looks like there's a hole in my head that, you know, a bullet just landed in there. So now I'm going to take the Stage Blood and I'm just going to drip some blood wherever I choose. There's no rhyme or reason to this, y'all already know, so just be creative when creating this look. So that is it for this Halloween look. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Join the B.O.M Squad. We are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget we are doing post notification shout out. So if you want to be shouted out in the next video, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon notification. And in the comment section, comment done. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next Halloween tutorial. Bye guys.